Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to create QR codes in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen here, I have some information in the column A like website name, biological information and a YouTube video link. I need to create QR codes for these information so that when I scan the QR code, then I can go to this website, open this biological information and open this YouTube video. In this case, I can create the QR code by simply clicking on this button. For that, I have to first select the information, then click on create QR code. And here you see the QR code is created. To create multiple QR codes, select the multiple cells that has data, then click on create QR code button. And here you see the QR codes are created. Let's learn how we can do this in Microsoft Excel. First of all, make a button for creating QR codes. For that, click on Insert tab, Illustrations, Shapes, then take a shape from here. Draw the shape by click, hold and drag the mouse. Double click on the shape, then put here Create QR Code. Next, you need to write the VBA code to generate QR code. The required code is here in this notepad document. I will provide this code download link in the video description below, from where you can copy. Select this entire VBA code, then copy this. Go to Microsoft Excel and click on the Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Click on Insert, then Module. In the Module page, just paste the copied code. Then close this VBA window. Now you have to link that VBA code or macro in this button. For that, right click on the button, click on Assign Macro. Here you see Create QR Code macro is given. Click on this, then click on OK. Now by clicking on this Create QR Code button, you can generate the QR codes. For that, select the cell that has the information based on which you want to create the QR code. Then click on this QR code button. And the QR code is generated. To create multiple QR codes, select multiple information, then click on Create QR Code. To permanently save this function in Excel, you have to save this file as a macro enabled file. For that, click on the File tab, Save As. Then here in this type of the file, you have to select this Excel macro enabled workbook, then save it. So that was all about creating QR code in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button and also subscribe to the channel to get more video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.